I'm going to do a quick little project today. This gate is sagging, and you can see right here. Let me see if I can zoom in here so you can see this. Where this latch is just a little bit low here, and it's due to the fact that the gate is actually drooping. If you look down at the bottom, you can probably see it. This is about, I don't know, 1.5 inches, and this is about 1/2 inch, so that the gate is actually sagging this way. So I'm going to fix it with a turnbuckle. I have in the past just turned the gate up a little bit, but I'll fix it with a turnbuckle and show you how I'm going to do it. So all I'm going to use is this turnbuckle, and this was kind of old and beat up, but I went out on the wire wheel and brushed it up and oiled it, and some guy wire. And I'm going to use the existing bolts that are here. I'm going to loosen up a couple of them here so I can put the guy wire on it. I'm going to go ahead and make a loop on one end that's going to fit over that bolt, and then I'm twisting it here to make one end. I brought some pliers here to twist the ends of it. I'll go on one end. Okay, so now in the center here I'm going to put a turnbuckle, so I'm going to cut it off and hook the turnbuckle on. Do the same here. I'm going to go ahead and twist the wire on the turnbuckle to hook it on. One thing you have to do on this is make sure that you wrap this tight enough and long enough, because if you don't, you'll actually just unwrap as you try to tighten it up later on. Okay, there's part of it. Go ahead and hook the guy wire on the other end of the turnbuckle. Wrap it. Tighten this up a little bit here. Okay, I'll hook the other end of this wire on the lower bolt. I'll go ahead and pan down to that location so you can see what's going on. try to get this fairly tight to begin with, and go ahead and wrap it. That's enough. Now what will happen is I tighten this up, it's going to pull that lower corner and lift this outer edge. Most gates normally they make it in a Z pattern so that it's under tension or under compression, and it needs this extra lift here to lift this back up. So let's go ahead and let me get a screwdriver and a wrench, and I'll go ahead and start tightening that up. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start tightening this here. And the ways these turnbuckles work is one side is right hand threaded and the other side is left hand threaded. So as you turn it, they both tighten or loosen. Wow, I didn't even have to use a wrench on this. It's already up to the right location. It's already lifted it up. That's all it took. Let me move over here and you can see this latch again. You can see now it's the right height, so it'll actually latch. Where before it was about a ½ inch low. So anyway, that's all it took. A few extra spare parts and a few minutes worth of time. And I think it's all repaired. Thanks for watching.